Welcome back to Home Sweet Home Cooking. I'm your host, Rocky, in my mother's kitchen. Good morning, Mother.
Good morning, Rocky.
So today, we are going to do another recipe we had from our way back at Big Muskie Supper Club, where Mom made a lot of the salad bar items up there. And it is a pasta salad, another cold summer salad. We're not exactly sure. It's been a while. And the recipe just simply says 1 sugar, 1 vinegar, and 2 mayo. We don't know if that means cups. It doesn't say how much macaroni, it doesn't say how much onion, it doesn't say how much shredded carrots or green pepper. So we're taking a guess.
We're going by the seat of our pants.
We're going to go with 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of vinegar, 2 cups of mayo, and 1 pound of the spiral rotinis. We got the multicolored one just for color, because it'll match green peppers, the carrots, and the onion. But this might be for a 2-pound bag of macaroni. We don't know. So we're going to mix the dressing in the blender, and we're only going to use half of it on here at first to see if that's correct, and then we'll have another half batch of dressing to make a second thing. So these numbers that we have, when I put the recipe down below in the comments or in the title box, it'll be the correct ratios. So don't follow what I say. Don't do what I don't do what I say, do as I do. No, don't do as I do either. Don't do as I do either. Do as I write below. So, we're going to start with the 1 pound of rotinis. They're cooked al dente. I like a little bit of tooth to them. I don't want them to fall apart and get mushy. Might have let them go another 20 seconds, 30 seconds, but they're fine. Boiled, drained, and cold water bath to get them to stop the cooking. Into the mixer, the blender, it's going to go 2 cups of mayonnaise. And I did leave one secret ingredient out, which I'm not going to mention until right before I get it, because it's a weird one for a salad. Wouldn't you say so, Mom?
It's a common ingredient, but not for a salad.
Exactly. I mean, everybody probably has used this, or at least knows of it for sure, but we were never thought of it going into a salad. So there's 2 cups of mayo. 1 cup of, put that in. 1 cup of vinegar. Put that there. And this is just regular household white vinegar, not the cider vinegar, nothing fancy. Definitely not a red wine vinegar. And now, the weird secret ingredient for a salad.
And don't laugh.
Don't laugh. A can of, in front of the camera, sweetened condensed milk. Yes, in a salad.
That looks like a lot of sauce for that 1 pound box.
But the other reason why I said I wanted to do it this way and make it with a cup, even knowing it's going to be 2 batches worth probably, is because you really can't find a small can of sweetened condensed milk.
That's true.
So you kind of have to, the whole can. So if you need to make a large salad, a bunch for a group, then this would be a bigger batch. So this is a 14-ounce can. I've never seen a sweetened condensed milk smaller than that. But if you want to, you can only use a half can and do a single batch, I'm assuming. But you know what happens when I assume? All right, give this a blend. For those keeping score, put the vinegar in the bottom. It's going to mix better to start. So we also forgot 1 teaspoon of salt goes in there. So put the vinegar in the bottom, then the mayonnaise, then the sugar, and the sweetened condensed milk, and it'll mix better. Do this quick spin. Alright, now that it's mixed good, we are going to take the pasta, put it in a bowl. Going to take 1 green pepper diced, 1 onion chopped, and probably an equal amount of shredded carrot. So whatever that's going to come out to. Now, I think this is graduated, meaning it went to high school and got a diploma. That looks like total a little above 4 cups, so I can't see the light. There we go. So I have to stop a little above 2 cups. on that. It's going to be about half. Give it a mix. And with all salads, these summer salads, you want to mix this up probably a day in advance would be preferable. You want to let at least sit for an hour or two to get the flavors to meld. And I think we're going to actually wait for a little bit, Mom, before we get big into this. We already ate, so we're not starving. I just want to make sure that all that sugar that's in there gets fully dissolved into the liquid in the dressing. So yeah, we're gonna let this sit for well, don't tell them how it is, an hour and a half maybe, and we'll come back and I'll get my taste test. All right, that has been in the fridge for an hour. Should have had plenty of time for the sugars to finish dissolving and for the flavors to meld a little bit at least.
And it'll be even better tomorrow.
Yeah, at least 12 hours. I'd make this in the morning if you're serving it in the afternoon, or make it the day before. So, all right. Make sure you give me a piece of pepper, little onion, little carrot. Now I did stir it. Took it out of the fridge and stirred it because all the liquid goes to the bottom. Cheers.
That's it from 20 years ago.
Now remember, this has sugar and sweetened condensed milk. This is a sweet salad, not a savory. Although the peppers, there's a little bit of savoriness from the pepper and onion in there, but it is definitely on the sweeter side. Kids would eat this.
Probably.
Yeah.
I'm a kid. I'm 16 now. No, I'm 15 because I'll turn 16 in August.
She lies too. I like the salad a lot. It is sweet. I wouldn't have this. I wouldn't want to make this and only this. But if I'm having a bunch of people over, or if I'm going to a kind of a potluck picnic, chances are nobody's going to be bringing something like this. So this would be something good to bring to that because it'll be different from what everybody else brings. But I definitely remember having this on the salad bar, and it is good. And it was probably one of my favorite dishes on the salad bar as a kid, because it was sweet. But the recipe, as we made it, that sauce was definitely for a double batch. She's got that in the fridge. She's gonna get another pound of the noodles and get another pepper. She's gonna mix the rest of this up, and we've got a neighbor here that's really good to her. He comes over and brings the garbage can down to the house on garbage day, so Mom doesn't have to struggle with it. So real good guy. He bought our car from my parents.
Right.
So I wish my dad was more open to neighbors, but he's really not. He's kind of closed off and not really into other people.
Especially now.
Yeah, especially now that he's sick. So it's nice for my mom to be able to do something for this guy. I mean, I would like to have the guy over for dinner sometime, but with Dad, who knows. But anyway, thank you for watching the video. If you have any more summer salads, I was going to call it quit, but we found one more recipe that we're going to do for summer salads. It's the shredded carrot and raisin salad.
Yeah, because you wanted to do that one.
Yep, we did find it. And then there's one more I do want to find, which is it's a cold pea, and there's cheese in it. And I think sunflower seeds maybe you can even put in there.
It was like a can of peas and then chopped up.
I'm going to use frozen peas though. I don't want to use the canned peas. I don't like canned peas.
I don't either.
Yeah. But it's a pea and cheese and type of sauce salad. Probably mayo, sugar, and vinegar again. Probably very similar. Some salt and pepper would probably go in that one too. That was my guess.
Now this one I used to make the big batch, like twice this for the salad bar for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And it would disappear.
Mm-hmm. And not a big supper club.
No, it was a small supper club. But it had me, so it had a real attraction.
Maybe at one time I think it was 8 tables, but then they took the pool table out, put more tables, so maybe 12 tables tops.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
In the beginning.
No,
By the very end. Oh, okay, so 8 tables. You know, you're talking a supper club with only 8 tabletops, and it would go through a double batch of this on a weekend. So that tells you how much people liked it and ate it. So give it a try. Share yours down below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you get notified when we get a new video coming out, which should be every week on a Monday. Sometimes 2. Occasionally I miss a week if I'm not paying attention. And we have the videos done. I just don't edit them until I forget about it, and then I get them up there. So I think the year and a month or 2 that we've been doing this, I only missed 2 videos. But we put out extra videos because during the whole Southern Essentials, I was doing Monday and Thursday. So we got plenty of content going out. It's just every once in a while I might miss a Monday. But again, thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.